देखो कोई बता नहीं रहा मुझे, मैं थोड़ा सा अच्छा ना लग जाऊं लाइव पे है।
मैम आप हमेशा अच्छे लगते हो,
क्योंकि
हमें
बस
पता ही नहीं चलता कि
क्या
हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि आपको कब कैसे लगता है।
इसका ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे करना पड़ेगा। गुड मॉर्निंग अमलवी Master, you already wear Zodiac Mixel. Now I want to know which one should I buy, Chinese Zodiac Mixel or 2026? आ रही हूँ सवालों पे भी आ रही हूँ। 2 मिनट हेलो तो बोले दो मुझे सबको। Good morning, good morning. Thank you very much for joining the live on YouTube. I know this is a new format that we have started of doing the YouTube live. So 2 हफ्ते हम Instagram live करते हैं और 2 हफ्ते हम YouTube live करते हैं to gauge all the audience, क्योंकि जब हम नहीं कर रहे थे तो YouTube वाले नाराज हो रहे थे कि हमें ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा है, हमें कैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे पता चलेगी and so much more. So hence we are here. The topic of today is very important and very interesting. I would request everyone, थोड़ी देर के लिए आप अगर अपना पेन और पेपर लेके बैठ सकते हैं तो मैं कुछ चीज़ें ईयर फायर हॉर्स के बारे में हम शेयर करना चाहेंगे जो कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. द ईयर ऑफ द फायर हॉर्स हैजंट स्टार्टेड येट. इट इज़ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 4th of February. एंड एक सेकेंड, ये उल्टा पड़ता है क्या इसमें? मैं इधर ठीक कर रही हूँ तो उधर ठीक हो रहा है. I'm still learning the YouTube live. So, the year of the fire horse has not started yet. It's going to start on the 4th of February. But because they're such big celestial events, तो हमारे को उन चीज़ों का इफेक्ट और इम्पैक्ट जो है वो बहुत पहले से दिखने लग जाता है. So we are going to talk about the year of the fire horse, and we're going to learn what the year of the fire horse is going to bring us, get us. अमल भी गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. इसमें ऐसे पता नहीं चलता है हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर.
वॉचिंग तो होगा ऑप्शन.
कहाँ पे आता है वो? मुझे देखना है कितने लोग आए हैं और जो नए आए हैं उनको 99. अच्छा हियर 99. ओके 101. फाइन फाइन. जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि हम प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं यूट्यूब पे कि नहीं. अमल वी Master, I upgraded to my silver or matrix, but I'm feeling very emotional. I don't know why, because silver is the stone for emotional healing. So it is going to bring out the emotions that you have been hiding, putting it under the carpet. तो वो सब चीजें तो होंगी ही. So that is the case. And it's 1 second. I'll just take off. I'm wearing too many clothes for sitting and doing things. Let me just bring myself up to a. Now I can talk. ऐसे इतने ढेर सारे कपड़े पहन के स्केयर क्रॉस बन के कैसे काम हो पा रही है लाइफ में. Silver matrix. This is the gold one that I'm wearing. The purpose of the gold one in 2026 is to bring in the energy of the sun, to bring in the energy of fire, because gold represents both of these elements. So hence, if you have a gold matrix, nothing like it. If you have a silver matrix or a brass matrix, you want to get it gold plated to save some money, be my guest, do that. Light coding पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But if you want to upgrade, please upgrade to a gold matrix. It is a beautiful thing to wear in this year as well as in the next year also. Master, I'm wearing the brass matrix. The color is fading. Is it okay? Yes, brass का color जाएगा, silver dark हो जाएगा, oxidize हो जाते हैं ये सारे metals. Um, Brass matrix can be worn in silver chain. Any matrix can be worn in silver chain. I'm wearing this in a rose gold chain. You can wear it in a silver chain. You can wear it in a black thread. You can wear it in a red thread also. You can design something of your own and wear the matrix in. Nothing changes the light coding of a matrix. It is by far the best light coding that I have ever done. So अगर आप उस matrix को पिघला के उसका कुछ और भी बना लोगे तो भी वो matrix की light coding उसके ऊपर रहेगी. Every time I get a marriage proposal, I get anxious and reject it. What do I do? So you have to understand why are you causing the rejection wound to another person? Where were you rejected in your life? Where the soulmate mixel that is going to help you understand your own deep traumas so that you don't start reflecting. It's like you get cut on somebody and then you are bleeding on another person. So you have to stop that. Master, I am क्वेश्चन चला गया. नो ये रहा. मैं डेट ऑफ बर्थ वाले क्वेश्चंस नहीं ले रही हूँ आज. इट इज गोइंग टू बी टू मच फॉर मी टू डू. मल्टी मास्टर गाइड एज वेल ऑन द लास्ट ईयर एमुलेट कीचेन्स. सो द लास्ट ईयर एमुलेट कीचेन्स में से कुछ कीचेन्स हैं जो इस साल भी यूज होंगे और कुछ कीचेन्स हैं जो मुझे बड़ी हैरानी हो रही है. मेरे तो सारे कीचेन्स जो है वो ऑक्सीडाइज हो गए. उस मेटल पे कहीं कहीं पे रस्ट आ गया, मेरा तो डबल हैप्पीनेस सिंबल भी ग्रीन हो गया ऑलमोस्ट। आई एम सरप्राइज्ड आप लोगों के बिल्कुल अच्छे चल रहे हैं, वेरी गुड। सो बहुत सारे एमुलेट्स ऐसे हैं जो आप रीयूज कर सकते हैं। 1 फरवरी हम फंग शुई लॉन्च करेंगे। So 1 February is going to be the beginning of the Feng Shui February month for us, where we have all the items, all the things for Feng Shui, all the cures for Feng Shui. So that is going to be there, and you can use those amulets. You can reuse those amulets, and the ones that are not supposed to be used, you can either keep them aside in a plastic bag so that you can use it for the coming years, or if they have gone bad, you can just hang it on a tree or a plant in your house, and they just continue to give you energy. If you see, मेरे वहाँ पे plant में एक sunflower वाला amulet लगा हुआ है. With the new gold or matrix, will we have the new Lumas code added by you? Yes, the Lanum code, you mean. So the Lanum code is not going to be added by me. You will have to go to the Miracle of a Matrix page. It is something that you will have to self do. It's an upgrade to your matrix, and it's a very simple 5-minute process. उसके ऊपर एक पूरा YouTube लाइव भी है जो इससे पहले वाला लाइव आप देखेंगे. So आप बस उसके वो 3-4 steps हैं वो follow करेंगे, and it's going to be coded for the Lanum code also. Lanum code is the code where you can shift your destiny. So it's not something that we decide कि अरे हमने एक बार एक डेस्टिनी लिखी गई तो बस वही है हमारा प्रोसेस, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You always have the power. That is what is called free will, that you have the free will to change your soul contracts, you have the free will to change your destiny, you have the free will to work with your own self and change the outcome. If your mother or father had say about diabetes or hypertension or heart disease or any of those things, you don't have to be loyal to the lineage. Your ancestors say that take only the good of us, not the bad of us. So when you become loyal to the lineage, आपके तो अरे मेरे पापा को भी था, मुझे भी तो होगा ही होगा. So that is being loyal to the lineage, but it's not necessary to be that. So you have the power to change your soul contracts, you have the power to edit your destiny, you have the power to cancel your destiny also, and you can completely rephrase yourself, and you can completely shift a quantum jump timeline. Master, I purchased the turquoise stone from the studio, but confused to wear it as a pendant or a ring. Any? How does it matter? It just needs to be in your auric field. वो बहुत पुराने ज़माने की बात हो गई कि स्किन के साथ टच नहीं होगा तो ऐसा होगा. ऐसे सब कहानियाँ होती हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े myths होते हैं. The energy just have to be in your auric field at any given point of time. Your auric field is around 4 kilometers. It's not just too small. ऐसा नहीं मेरी बॉडी के बस इधर इधर auric field है, बाकी नहीं है. इसलिए हमें दूर से किसी इंसान के बारे में पता चल जाता है, उसकी इंटेंशंस पता चल जाती हैं अगर हमारा हार्ट चक्र ओपन है तो. So you can keep it in your bag, you can keep it in your wallet, you can carry it in your laptop bag, you can put it on your desk. All of this much area is going to be your auric field. How do we quantum jump timeline, master? अच्छा पहले ये कर लें कि पहले क्वांटम जंप के बारे में बात कर लें. अच्छा पहले एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट मैं आपको बताती हूँ. परसों की बात सबको ध्यान में होगी that I had posted a story where I was crying because I had gone through a breathwork healing for an hour and it completely shook up the emotions in my body, and I didn't even I was experiencing emotions that I didn't even know. So I was like picked up and I was sitting in the car and I told everyone to leave. It was in my parking. एंड मैंने कहा मुझे 10-15 मिनट चाहिए अपने साथ, आप सब जाओ एंड मैं 10-15 मिनट में ऊपर आ जाऊंगी. सो आई वाज सिटिंग इन द कार एंड आई वाज क्राइंग एंड आई व्हेन दे लेफ्ट आई सॉ द टाइम, इट वाज 20:44 and then I was so engrossed in my own emotions, and I was talking to my body and I was talking to my higher self and I was letting things out that okay, I didn't even know that I was holding on to so much, but I don't need this is not my emotion. So वो पूरा एपिसोड जो है वो 5-10 मिनट के आसपास चला होगा और फिर मुझे लगा कि मैंने कभी ऐसा कोई अपना वनरेबल मोमेंट रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू रिकॉर्ड. सो आई पिक्ड अप माय फोन and it was still 20:44. This is something that I don't think I can explain, but I'm sure that a lot of people in the world experience this. That is precisely quantum jumping. When you are in a very emotional state or a very ecstatic state or a very vulnerable state, time stops for you because time is non-existent actually. So you just quantum jump into a different reality. You do your work there and you come back here. Okay. Can I do yesterday's ritual today? कितने मुश्किल रिचुअल होता है. ऐसे सिंपल वेरी सिंपल रिचुअल्स मैं आप लोगों को देती हूँ. फिर उसमें भी आप लोग उसको टाइम पे नहीं करते हो, फिर मुझे पूछते रहते हो हम कल कर लें, हम परसों करें। कर लो, कभी भी, पूरे साल में कभी भी कर लो, रिचुअल का कोई नुकसान नहीं है, बट डू इट ऑन द डे दैट आई हैव आस्क्ड यू टू डू इट। अब तो हम रील्स भी पहले पोस्ट कर रहे हैं 3-3 4-4 दिन, सो दैट यू हैव एम्पल टाइम। एक येलो कैंडल अरेंज करने में कितने जन्म लग सकते हैं। सो थोड़ा सा ट्राई करो दैट यू ट्राई टू डू द रिचुअल्स ऑन द डे, बिकॉज that ritual is aligned to the energy of that day. If you don't do those things on that particular energy of the day, it's not that you'll do it on any other day and it's not going to work. But of course, it's going to be not the same energy. So, okay, Year of the Fire Horse. Year of the Fire Horse is all about fire, fire, and fire. And this is happening in period 9. इससे पहले वाला फायर हॉर्स 1967 में आया था, उसके बाद अब फायर हॉर्स का ईयर आया है, और उस समय वो पीरियड 8 था, विच वाज अर्थ पीरियड, तो फायर हॉर्स का उतना इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा। बट ये पीरियड 9 है। अब पीरियड 9 में जब हम हैं, तो it means rising from the ashes. It's the year of the phoenix on that side. So it's phoenix and fire horse together, which means a lot of fire energy. Now, what does that mean when I say a lot of fire energy? स्पीडिंग अप, ग्रोथ बहुत फास्ट होगा, चीजें बहुत फास्ट होंगी, टाइम बहुत फास्ट जाएगा, पता ही नहीं चलेगा सुबह से रात कब हो रही है। ऐसे लगेगा यार अभी तो बैठे थे, अभी तो 3 बजे थे, अरे अभी 7 बज गए, पता ही नहीं चला। That kind of a thing is going to happen on the good side, that we are going to get a lot of opportunities, a lot of wealth opportunities, a lot of new beginnings will happen। अगर आप कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हैं तो फट 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 उसके काम बनेंगे, पेपर वर्क फास्ट होगा, वीजा प्रोसेसेस फास्ट होंगे, अब्रॉड सेटलमेंट्स ज्यादा होंगे, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन। But at the same time, there's going to be a lot of fire element which is not going to work for you. If you are not working on yourself, if you're procrastinating and you're a lazy person, if you're only going to be jealous of other people, because jealousy increases fire, if you're going to be jealous of other people, if you're going to be not sure of your business plans, if you're going to sit and say like मुझे पता नहीं है नेक्स्ट क्या करना है मुझे, तो फायर एलिमेंट आकर ठश 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 कर देगा तुम्हारे को। So so you have to be very very careful about the things that increase the fire. So what increases the fire? Anger increases the fire, jealousy increases the fire, not knowing increases the fire, accidents increase the fire, pushing somebody else to do something, just because you want it, increases the fire element. Frustration, irritation, all of these low lying emotions, shame, guilt, thefting another person, किसी से चोरी चकारी करना, all of these things will increase the bad fire element in you, and then your money is not going to stay. If you cheat another person, your money is not going to stay, your health is not going to stay. Fire has the capacity to burn everything. Out of all those spiritual elements that we have, fire is the only element जिसमें हम कुछ भी डालते हैं, fire change नहीं होता. You put color into water, the anatomy of the water changes. You put something in the earth, it grows and becomes a tree, again the anatomy changes. But fire is the only element that उसमें आप कोई भी चीज डालते हो वो फायर ही रहती है, इसलिए वो सबसे प्योर एलिमेंट माना जाता है। सो ट्राई टू यूज दिस फायर फॉर योर ओन बेनिफिट। नाउ कमिंग टू, देखो मैं कितना होमवर्क करके बैठी हूँ। कमिंग टू द चाइनीज जोडियक्स ऑफ दिस ईयर, बट उससे पहले मैं 2-3 क्वेश्चंस ले लेती हूँ जिसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। राबे दुआ कहाँ से आ गया है सर उसके अंदर इतना? मैम राबे दुआ की सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्ट्री कार्ड नहीं मिली, आगे की प्रोसेस प्लीज बताएं। सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्ट्री कार्ड क्या है हमारा? कुछ है ऐसा? तो कभी ऐसा कुछ दिया ही नहीं किसी को। व्हाट इज सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्ट्री कार्ड? I received Dundeel Mixel. I had headaches for 2 days, but I could feel I was absorbing that energy. Absolutely. Every time, especially from our studio, if you're going to buy any product, even if it is a set of tumble, you will feel a certain amount of energy shift basis. अगर टम्बल होगा तो शायद कम एनर्जी शिफ्ट फील होगा, अगर कोई रेयर आइटम होगी तो बड़ा होगा, कोई केव या कोई और आयरन पायराइट क्लस्टर या ऐसी कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज लेंगे तो उसका इफेक्ट भी आपको पता चलेगा। डोंट वरी, it takes around 7 days for your body to adapt to a new energy, and then all of those things will fit into your environment or become your second skin. My sister is going through a lot with her in-laws out of the house. The husband kid now, she wants to help and she can buy a new house. Can I give her a brass or matrix? She can give her a silver or matrix. It's going to be better because she's going through a lot of emotional things also, and it's going to help her heal from the emotions. और थोड़ा body का temperature कम रखता है, so the natural process of your body healing is better. Amalvi Master Vishesh here. Do the crystals Anomatrix still work on me apart from the belief system and OCD thing. How many times do I have to answer this विशेष? हम क्लास में भी यही क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं, हम इंस्टाग्राम पे भी यही क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं, हम अब यूट्यूब पे भी यही सवाल लेके आ रहे हैं, कब निकलोगे तुम मुझसे? Master, my son gifted me a Henolite, black tourmaline, and a smoky quartz tumble. How do I use them? Tumbles are used in the space. It can be any kind of tumbles. Henolite is a very beautiful one and a very rare crystal. I'm glad. I'm sure you're not from India. That's why you got it. India में बहुत सारे crystals नहीं आ सकते जिसके लिए हम बहुत fight मार रहे हैं कि सब आ जाएं. But it's a beautiful crystal and you can use it in your meditations. You can hold 2 tumbles in your hand and anchor one for receiving and anchor one for giving. You can also put them under your pillow. Tumbles को सब लोग बहुत underrate करके चलते हैं कि अरे 2 ही तो बता रहे क्या ही होगा. But try to see the benefit when you put them under your pillow. And you will see when you wake up, you're waking up in the present. A lot of us wake up in the past. हम कल में ही जगते हैं, कल का क्या काम रह गया, कल कहाँ दर्द हो रही थी, कल कैसा दिन था, आज में तो हम शुरू ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So put a selenite heart under your pillow or put a set of tumbles under your pillow. Those are the things that are going to rewire your subconscious mind while you are sleeping. These are the things, these are the tools, these are the energies that can work with you when you sleep. Master, crystal for anxiety and emotional balance for Taurus and Sun. Taurus Sun, please. I don't do astrology, so it is completely alien to me, nor do I believe in that. So my thought process on this is wear an anti-anxiety mixel. Use an anti-anxiety spray whenever you feel anxious. So when you spray it in your auric field, जब भी कोई एंजाइटी या डेंस इमोशन होता है तो हमारी ऑरिक फील्ड हमारे को ही प्रेस करती है. जैसे ऑटो इम्यून डिसऑर्डर होता है, हमारे सेल्स हमारे अगेंस्ट काम करते हैं. तो जब हम बहुत लो इमोशंस के साथ काम करते हैं, जेलेसी, इविल आई, एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन, शेम, गिल्ट, anxiety, all of these things are low-lying emotions. They sit here on your root chakra. So when they sit on your root chakra, your auric field starts to collapse on the body itself. That is why you feel कि बहुत weight है, सर बहुत भारी लग रहा है, back of the neck is very heavy because your auric field is condensing on you. So when you put a spray in your auric field, it releases that tension from the auric field. It's like putting a Volini on the pain that you have, you know. So the spray is going to do that, and when you wear the mixel, it is going to give you. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आप एंटी एंजाइटी मिक्सल पहनेंगे और फिर उसके बाद आपकी एंजाइटी भाग जाएगी, तो ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होने वाला है. What it's going to do is it's going to bring up the patterns in you जिससे आप एंग्शियस होते हैं. वो ट्रिगर्स आपके पास घूम घूम करके आएंगे जिससे आप एंग्शियस होते हैं, so that you can identify where you have to work on. I wish to understand, do these crystals energy finish? A crystal's energy does not finish, it dies down. It's like a battery, you know, so it dies down. You can always re-energize it by putting it into Mother Earth. You can also put them in a bowl of rice or in a big canister of rice overnight, and that will energize them again. But the crystals that you get from us are life coded, and you don't have to energize them. But yes, you can lose your connection with that crystal. So if you have lost your connection with the crystal, you can tap it. So example, this, and supposedly I'm not connected to this crystal. I'm not telling you this. I'm not connected to this crystal. So I'm going to tap the crystal like this and say I'm releasing all the previous energy stored into that crystal, and then I wash it with water and it becomes clear again to go to anybody else who wants to have it. You can put it in the plant, you can give it to somebody in your family, and so much more. Okay, so we are going to do that in a bit. We're coming back to the Chinese zodiac. If you don't know which Chinese zodiac you are, you can go to our website. We have a Chinese zodiac calculator. You can put in your date of birth and they will tell you who you are. 3 zodiacs इस बार जो हैं वो अपने आप को ऐसे पकड़ के बैठ जाएं, क्योंकि you are in clash with Tai Sui. What is Tai Sui? Tai Sui is the governing god in the Chinese energy, and it is not like a physical real god, it's an energy. So this year's Tai Sui, General Wen Zi, is the leader for wisdom, discipline, strategy, planning, growth. He's going to give you all of that. But these 3 zodiacs, rabbit, rooster, rat, ये तीनों की तो बहुत बहुत बड़ा क्लैश है Tai Sui के साथ. और उसके बाद मंकी का भी है, बट बेरेबल है. Monkeys can still work with it. सो अगर आपको चाइनीज जोडियाक की ये स्टोरी नहीं पता कि ये सारे एनिमल्स के ऊपर क्यों है, तो मैं आपको एक छोटी सी चीज बताना चाहती हूँ. सो जब ये सारे चाइनीज जोडियाक्स बन रहे थे, तो उस समय के जो ताइसुई थे, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हम मतलब हाउ डू वी नेम द जोडियाक्स, यू नो. देन समवन सेड दैट, यू नो, why don't we name it on the animals? So he said that ये तो इतने सारे animals हैं, how do we decide which ones? So there were certain animals that were selected and they all did a race कि कौन सा एनिमल जो है वो कितना पहले पहुंचेगा और उसके हिसाब से कैसे होंगी ये सब चीजें. सो सबसे पहले द रैट वाज द वन दैट रीच्ड, यू नो. So that became the first zodiac of the Chinese, and then the ox was the one who was running, and then I think after the ox there was one more, and अरे Aleppo, forgot the name. Let me get back to you with this whole thing. मैं इसको ना उसमें डाल देती हूँ, रील में डाल देती हूँ स्टोरी. It's a very beautiful story how all the Chinese zodiacs decided to be where they have to be. So rat, rabbit, rooster, all the three R's of the Chinese zodiac need to be extremely careful in this year. Avoid arguments. जितने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अवॉइड कर सकते हो, जितना ठंडा पानी पी सकते हो लाइफ में, उतना ठंडा पानी पियो. जहां आर्ग्यूमेंट करोगे अपना ही लॉस करोगे. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक any sense with, it's not going to get you anything at all, absolutely nothing, you know. So avoid the arguments, avoid anger, avoid frustration. When I say all these things, of course it's not easy to do that, but take the help of crystals, gemstones, cures. अभी हम क्योर्स के ऊपर आएंगे. हम बहुत सारे, मे बी विल डू अनदर लाइव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा क्योर हम कब कर सकते हैं. रैट के लिए जेमस्टोन इज एमेट्रीन एंड गार्नेट. वेयरिंग एनी ऑफ दीज इज गोइंग टू गिव यू the peace, the luck. What is going to work for the rat is inner work is going to work for them. Restructuring foundation, if you are a business owner or if you are a CEO or a head of a particular company, restructuring the way you work is going to really work for you. And what's not going to work for you is investment, risky investment. So if you think कि मैं लास्ट ईयर बहुत बड़े बड़े रिस्क ले गया और मुझे बहुत बड़े बड़े रिवॉर्ड्स मिले, इस साल आप सिर्फ प्ले सेफ करेंगे और कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So wear an ametrine or a garnet. For rabbit, focus on healing your skill. You have to refine your skill. You have to upgrade your skill. You have to work on yourself. You have to observe your patterns. You have to hash them out completely. What is going to work, what is not going to work for a rabbit is confrontation, rush decisions. अभी डिसाइड करना है मुझे, अभी इसको सॉल्व करना है, नहीं चलेगा. ब्लू टोपाज एंड ओपल, दीज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट यू मस्ट वेयर. इसके सारे डिस्क्रिप्शंस आपको वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएंगे, कौन से फिंगर में पहनना है, कौन से हैंड में पहनना है. आई वुड प्रेफर ऑल ऑफ यू wearing pendants instead of ring, because they're going to be closer to your heart chakra and it's going to connect with you more rather than wearing a ring. Rooster, again, focus on skill mastery. The more you master your skill, the happier you make Taisui. What is not going to work? Ego clashes. You know, if you are going to make any kind of a scene in public, even if you are 4 people sitting together and you decide कि I want to show how best I am, I want to झंडो फहराऊं कि मैं ही सबसे अच्छा हूँ, मुझे ही सारी नॉलेज है, मुझे ही सब कुछ पता है, मैं ही अपने आप को प्रूव करूंगा इस सिचुएशन के अंदर. टाइसुई से ऐसे चाटा पड़ेगी ऐसे करके. येलो टोपाज, क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज जरूर पहनिए. अगर आप इनमें से किसी का भी जेमस्टोन नहीं पहन सकते हैं, यू कैन वेयर अ क्रिस्टल. दिस क्रिस्टल हैज टू बी worn with the zodiac mixel of 2026, which is your zodiac mixel of rat, rooster, rabbit, dog, whatever. Again, the super lucky 2026 is for the overall growth of 2026, which is coded for expansion and abundance. It is not coded for cures or feng shui. So ये दोनों completely different school of thoughts है. ये abundance और expansion के लिए light coded है. ये आपकी जो चीजें आपके लिए काम नहीं करेंगी उसको deflate करने के लिए light coded है, which is the zodiac mixer. So this is what you can decide. The choice between Indian zodiac and Chinese zodiac, it's particularly up to you. It's a personal choice. I don't follow personal astrology like Indian astrology, so I would always wear a Chinese zodiac one. But if you think I'm more connected to Rahu, Ketu, Mars, Shani, wear that. If you think that, you know, this is a more, I find feng shui a more practical science, and I am a very practical person, so I always lean towards that. For monkey, what is going to work, not work? What works is focusing on sales, effective communication. What doesn't work is any kind of shortcut that monkeys like to take. And they always like to take that. This is not the year to make that shortcut. Manipulation is not going to work. You can't show something and sell something. Mm-mm. Bloodstone, emerald. These are the two things that you must wear. Now, there are zodiacs that are going to be like really, they can be really happy, and those four zodiacs are dog, goat, ox, and snake. Everything is going to work for all of you. But you have to consistently work on your behavioral patterns. You cannot be the same person that was in 2025. Taisui is watching you. It's supporting you, but it is only supporting you till the time you are disciplined, you have the wisdom, you have the courage, you have the determination, you are success oriented, and you have a strategy in mind. If you are missing on any of these things, you can get a backlash from Taisui. So, and Taisui is sitting in the south this year. So all these four zodiacs and all the other zodiacs also should face the south direction. Like this is my south, and when I sit on my desk, I'm facing my south. Batti chali gayi. So, so you can face the south direction. It is going to be nice, and facing the Taisui, even when it is in clash with you, is always a good sign for that energy, because that energy feels that okay, you are ready to face it. You are ready to address the issues that it is going to bring. So face the south direction. न्यूट्रल जोडियक्स ड्रैगन टाइगर ओके अच्छा सॉरी मैं बताना भूल गई टैंजनाइट ये चारों जोडियक्स पहन सकते हैं डॉग गोट ऑक्स स्नेक अगर आप टैंजनाइट अगर आप नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते या आप जेमस्टोन नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते उसका in that case you must wear an ametrine you can also wear a lapis lazuli you can also wear a kyanite ये सारे options available हैं this is wearing a kyanite wearing a tanzanite is going to really help I'm an ox I bought this in December already. I've been wearing it for a month now, and lot of changes, lot of them. So yes, it's an investment to make. Of course, gemstones are always an investment to make, but as compared to the things that will change in your life, nothing. Even if this stone was 100x more, I would have still considered buying it because I know the kind of change that it's going to bring in my life from in all areas and in all angles. But having said that, everybody has their own prerogative, they have their own responsibilities. So we have options of everything. You can range yourself out from buying a double to lapis lazuli bracelet to the gemstone to the ametrine gemstone, and you can decide. You can also wear a blue topaz instead of a tanzanite. The neutral zodiacs dragon, tiger, horse, pig. फंक्शो में ऐसा नहीं होता कि अगर हॉर्स का ईयर है तो हॉर्स के तो बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएंगे ऐसा कभी नहीं होता सो इट ऑलवेज सेज दैट इफ द ताइसुई इज इन अ क्लैश it can be in a clash with its own house also. So for a horse it's a neutral year, things will happen great, good. For a dragon, what is going to work is authority roles are going to work better. There's going to be long-term reputation building in this year that you're going to do for yourself. What's not going to work is impatience. For a tiger, embrace leadership, entrepreneurship. What is not going to work is unnecessary authority. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि मतलब अपने रोल से बहुत ऊपर जाकर के हम अपनी अथॉरिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करें वो काम नहीं करेगा कैट्स आई बनिए. For a dragon, please wear a ruby. For a tiger, please wear a cat's eye. For a horse, please wear a green tourmaline. We have these very beautiful green tourmaline stones, which are like the gemstones. They are very pocket friendly. You can go and wear them. For all the horses, it's going to bring you a lot of stability. Green tourmaline किस लिए? क्योंकि वो earth energy है. Earth energy ही fire energy को control कर सकती है. And आप fire horse हैं और आप horse वाले zodiac में हैं और आप period 9 में हैं. So you must wear a green tourmaline. Pig, gemstone, moissanite. What is working for a pig is learning, networking. All these things are going to happen. They're going to have a very steady vision for growth. What is not going to work is laziness, emotional indulgence. आज बहुत मीठा खाने का मन हो रहा है, वेट मैनेजमेंट को छोड़ देंगे हम, बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे. पिग हैं तो पिग जैसे लगने शुरू हो जाएंगे, जरूरी नहीं है ऐसा होना. Please focus on your health because you have a tendency to put on a lot of weight this year because pigs are naturally going to feel very unsafe. They're going to be very, अगर आप जॉब के लिए श्योर थे तो आप अनश्योर हो जाओगे, अगर आप पार्टनर के लिए श्योर थे तो आप अनश्योर हो जाओगे, फ्रेंड्स के लिए अनश्योर हो जाओगे, फैमिली के लिए अनश्योर हो जाओगे, which means that all the pigs are going to feel very unsafe putting on all the weight on themselves. Don't do that. Be very mindful of your eating, get on to the treadmill, do the gym, do the yoga, do the pranayams, whatever that fits your schedule. Please do all of that. Back to some questions. Master, bracelet for monkey. You can take a moissanite को तो bracelet नहीं आ सकता. Clear quartz पहन सकते हैं उसकी जगह पे. Direction for this year's vision board Southeast. Is garnet available in the website? Yes, as a bracelet also. There's a green glossular garnet also, which is also garnet. You can also try that. That's a higher energy from a normal garnet. Green tourmaline pendant or ring? Pendant. Green tourmaline pendant. Pendant. Bracelet for pig. That's what I'm saying. You can wear a clear quartz instead of a moissanite if you can't. But moissanite तो आप earrings में भी पहन सकते हो. हमारे पास इतने सारे moissanite earrings में है, moissanite के pendants बने हुए हैं. There's so many things that are already ready. So you can do. थोड़ा पास आ जाता हूँ. जितनी दूर से पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है. What do the light coated crystals work on someone who has belief system issue? Not at all. जिसको जो बिलीव नहीं करता सन तो उस पे भी चमकता ही है अपनी लाइट के साथ. After a matrix came, I got a severe spine issue. Is it something wrong I did? Absolutely not. There was something. So, okay, your spine, all the vertebrae of your spine, they hold different emotions. When you wear an energy product, energy tool, it gives you, like Aman went through a gallbladder surgery. After he wore Omatrix, he was so angry, because he had to let out all that anger that he was building up for years and years and years. And for people who know Aman, he had a very turbulent past. So he had to release all of that anger. So ऐसा नहीं है कि ओमेट्रिक्स पढ़ने से उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है. ओमेट्रिक्स उसको क्लियर कर रहा है, उसकी चीजों को क्लियर कर रहा है, उसका रास्ता क्लियर कर रहा है. कैसे करेगा? ऐसे ही तो कर पाएगा ना. Gemstone for pig is moissanite. Please take the moissanite pendants. There are so many moissanite pendants that we have on the website. They're very beautifully priced, and there are multiple designs, and they look pretty. They look like a solitaire, and खुश हो जाओ बस. You can use all of that in a money bowl. Your amethyst tumble and the Kuber stone, all of those can be used in the money bowl. आज हम टीम के साथ money bowl बनाने वाले हैं, और आज हम 4 बजे के बाद अपना ऑफिस फंक्शन शुरू करने वाले हैं. मास्टर बोल तो अच्छा, ये तो सेम क्वेश्चन है. Master, my 6-month-old son is very stubborn and anger issues. What can I give him to wear? You can either make him wear a pearl in a pendant or a kyanite. Seeing your vulnerability makes in like Instagram stories me trust you even more every day, Master. Absolutely. मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता कि अरे मास्टर का बहुत बड़ा टैग है. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. I would love to be just as simple and as ordinary as everyone else. And the reason that I show my vulnerability so openly is because I believe that people connect more when they see your heart, and I have the same as yours. Can we make a pendant out of a tanzanite, ametrine, lapis lazuli, all three? Absolutely, you can. Actually, no. Lapis नहीं, tanzanite और ametrine का बना सकते हो. Master, so only due to emotional disbalance, pigs are going to suffer now. How will the career for them be? The career is good. That's what I told you. Focus on learning, networking, cultivating long-term vision. All of that is going to work for them. But सिर्फ एक career अच्छा होने से हमारी life अच्छी नहीं होती. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि बस पैसा आ जाए life में तो बाकी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं होता. मैं बहुत सारे पैसे वाले लोगों के साथ काम करती हूँ और उनकी लाइफ में बिल्कुल सुकून शांति नहीं है. So trust you me, if you are not doing the energy work, if you are not having the right tools around you, ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें हम सेल करते हैं, मेरे डेस्क के ऊपर इतना सब रखा रहता है. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज आप लोग मेरा डेस्क रोज देखने तो नहीं आ रहे हैं ना, और मुझे मतलब कौन आ रहा है यहाँ पे देखने के लिए कि मेरे डेस्क पे क्या रखा हुआ है. बट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैव गिवन मी करेज इन दोज टाइम्स व्हेन nothing and no one was working for me. And therefore, my connection with crystals is far more deeper. And I truly believe that everyone should experience them in their life, because once you experience them, your body, your energy body is never going to accept anything else. It is a very beautiful energy to have, whether it's a gemstone or a crystal. Don't go by astrology. उन्होंने सिर्फ 9 gemstones उठाए हैं और 9 gemstones को उठा के अडेप्ट और अडॉप्ट करके बोल दिया ये इस प्लैनेट का, ये इस प्लैनेट का, इस प्लैनेट का. डोंट डू दैट. गो बाय योर ब्लॉकेज. आप लाइफ में जिस चीज़ से ब्लॉक्ड फील कर रहे हैं उसके लिए एक जेमस्टोन, एक क्रिस्टल, एक मिनिमम एक तो है। तो उसके हिसाब से आप वो चीज़ पहनिए और जब आपकी वो ब्लॉकेज रिलीज़ हो जाए और खत्म हो जाए, यू कैन रिमूव दैट जेमस्टोन, वेयर समथिंग एल्स, कीप दैट जेमस्टोन एज़ अ for future if you encounter something like that, clean that gemstone, give it to another person. All of those things are possible. I am a horse. In reading, you suggest ruby. Should I wear green tourmaline also? Absolutely. So the job आपने reading ली होगी, that is about your auric field and the problems that you're facing and the blockages you're facing. Green tourmaline is for the year of the horse. Master, please suggest daily rituals or something that we can do to heal ourselves on a daily basis. Do a salt water bath, dip your feet in coffee. एक पॉट लेके 2 चम्मच कॉफी डाल के उसी उसमें 2 चम्मच सॉल्ट भी डाल सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं। हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड मार्केट में मिलता है, उसके साथ कर सकते हैं। आपके जो फीट होते हैं उसमें भी चक्रास होते हैं और वो आपकी बॉडी को पूरा क्लेंज कर सकते हैं। दीज आर द 2-3 things that you can do almost every day if you want. At the same time, sage your house, your environment. Saging is so important. Do it every second, third day. There are so many people who come to our house with all these Blinkit deliveries and Zomato deliveries, and you just don't know who's coming and entering into your space with what kind of energy. It is so important to cleanse those things. अगर आप बाहर से भी कुछ मंगा रहे हैं, just sage that in a minute, and then start using it. At least you know that there's no energy that is being stuck to it. अगर आप बाहर से खाना मंगा रहे हैं, आपका कुक खाना बना रहा है, pray on your food before you eat and say that I cleanse this food of all the negative prana, which means that किसी भी तरीके की negative conversation, आपकी कुक खाना बना रही है और फोन पे किसी को डांट रही है, झाड़ रही है, सब कुछ खाने में ही जा रही है, तो at least you can pray and eat your food. These are the small things that make big differences in life. Master, my husband is ox, but Tanzanite not available on any site, any substitute. Tanzanite is available only with Aman. हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है कि हम टैंजनाइट को शूट करके वेबसाइट पे डाल पाए. Now you'll have to reach out to Aman directly. Aman's number 8287262088 and आप उन्हें WhatsApp message drop कर सकते हैं. He will show you the Tanzanite options that he has, and if you like Tanzanite, go for it. Otherwise, ametrine is available on the website, lapis lazuli is available on the website, and blue topaz is available on the website. Games for snake and rabbit. Gemstone पूछ रहे होंगे, है ना? Gemstone for snake and rabbit. Rabbit, blue topaz, opal, and for snake, Tanzanite. Master, one after another, I'm getting health issues. Please book a reading. For if you're getting into any recurrent problem in your life, please book a reading. That is what is going to help you. And then we're going to also be talking about other zodiac signs and things in the near future. And just keep a tab on the Instagram page. You will not miss out on any information. So that is going to help you into understanding the year. The moment you understand the energy, you will be able to make the best use of that energy. And all my love, all my wishes. Take care, Amalvi. कहाँ से जाते हैं? एंड स्ट्रीम करते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. बाय.